Welcome to our OxyPlate user guide. This video will serve as a how-to guide on everything that has to do with OxyPlates. Now, after application of the OxyBlue anaerobic indicator and streaking of your specimen, you'll need to know how to close the OxyPlate. First, place the lid on top of the base. Next, turn the lid of the OxyPlate clockwise into the ridge. Once within the ridge, give a back and forth shimmy of the lid to establish the seal. The base of the OxyPlate will remain intact with the lid of the OxyPlate without support of the base, and you'll know that your seal has been established at that point. Another important note is that OxyPlates should only be stacked with other OxyPlates, not traditional plates. To get a better understanding of how the seal is formed and our lock and key design work, we can look at it here. That notch of the lid will slide into the ridge of the base. This allows for the inner ring to make contact with the surface of the auger, establishing your airtight seal. Another important note is to make sure that the notch of the lid is flush with the end of the ridge on the base. Next, we'll look at how to open the OxyPlate. After incubation, grab your OxyPlate, secure the base of the plate with one hand and the lid with your other, and turn the lid counterclockwise. This will break the seal and your plate is ready to investigate. Alternatively, one can grab the bottom edge of the lid on opposite ends, and with slight inward pressure, the seal will be broken and your plate is now ready for investigation. We hope you found our OxyPlate user guide helpful as you look to implement this new technology into your laboratory. We'd like to thank you for spending some time to watch, and if anything was left unanswered, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help you.